Hi everyone, welcome back to Serenity Soaps by Aki. My name is Aki and I have a bit of a problem. So a little bit about myself. I am a gardener and I really love growing my own food. I am a big advocate in growing your own food. And although I love to be out in the garden, it is summertime and summers in Georgia are no joke. So I like to stay my butt in the house. But when I stay inside, I miss out on picking certain crops on time, and this is how I got these monstrosities. 2 overgrown cucumbers. They do not taste that great, and the seeds are hard, but I don't like to waste food, so I decided I'm going to turn them into soap. So first I'm going to cut them in half and scoop out all the seeds. Next, I'm going to dice them and put them in a measuring cup, and then I will puree them. Now I will be using my immersion blender to puree them. It wasn't doing what I wanted it to do, so with some movie magic, they are pureed. So off camera, I put the cucumbers in a blender to get them started. Then I finished it with my immersion blender. Now I am going to measure out the amount of cucumber puree in my recipe. When using fruit or vegetable purees, make sure to subtract away from your overall water amount and replace it with the puree. The water amount left over should be more than or equal to the lye amount in your recipe. Now I am measuring out my coconut oil. It kind of looks like mashed potatoes, don't it? Next, I will be making my lye water solution. Always pour your lye into the water, not the other way around. It will cause it to bubble over and it will burn you, and we do not want that. I like to pour my hot lye solution over my hard oils to melt them down. This is called the heat transfer method. I do it this way because I make large batches of soap and I can't fit this big plastic container in the microwave, nor do I have anything to put it in to place on the stove to do a double boiler method. There are many ways to make soap and this way works best for me. I will now add my room temperature oils to the bucket. This will aid in bringing the temperature down, so when I add my cucumber puree and my coconut milk, it won't scorch. I am going to stick blend this a bit, and then I will add my cucumber puree and my coconut milk. So here are some benefits of cucumber on the skin. Cucumber contains astringent and cooling properties, which can effectively treat dark spots. It can also boost collagen levels in the skin, which helps in the cell regeneration process.
Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a
will be lightly scenting this with peppermint essential oil. Emphasis on lightly. Peppermint is considered a hot oil, and when used in excess, it can be detrimental to your skin. I want these bars to be soothing in this summer heat. To figure out the proper usage rates for essential oils, I will put a link to the website I used in the description box below. Now it is time for the pour. I chose to leave the skins on the cucumbers because I like the green flakes it leaves in the bar. You can peel the skins off if you want to, if you want a more pure white looking bar. And you know I have to be extra. I always have to zhuzh up my tops of my soaps, so I will be texturing the tops and adding dried rosemary leaves to the top. These are also grown in my garden. Also, when adding botanicals to the tops of soap, they do tend to brown a bit, which is normal. I think it adds a rustic look to the bar, which I like a lot. And here they are, and I will cut them 24 hours later. It is now the next day and it's time for the cut. I will be turning the soap over like this so when I cut it, the botanicals don't drag through the bar. And
I can't really see where did I miss.
here's the final look. You can see the green cucumber flakes in it, and they will stay green. Once the ponification happens, the cucumber is preserved in the soap. These soaps are available on my website right now. The link is in the description box below. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.